so much for clicking on this video. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Yes, I'm glad to have you all here, okay? Today's video, you are watching 2022 hairstyles. Beautiful cornrows to try out. Yes guys, try out these hairstyles, okay? Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. Okay, you know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles. Yes, where you see the latest in hairstyles trending around the world. Yes. Sometimes you will get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles, okay? Hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids, and more. So if you enjoy what we do here, you can support us by making sure you comment each time you finish watching our videos, okay? Give a like, share, subscribe for more if you haven't done that already, okay? This is the way you're going to support this particular channel, okay? This is the way you're going to support us. Always like our videos, okay? Each time you finish watching, comment. Each time you finish watching. Yes guys, don't forget to put the bell notification to all so you will be notified each time we upload a new video, okay? Very important. You can as well join us on our other social handles, okay? Yeah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Yes, I'm glad to have you all here, okay? So all these hairstyles, you can achieve them with or without hair extension. Though most of them can be achieved only with hair extension, okay? But if you want to go ahead and try them out with only your natural hair, you are free to do so. You can also rock them with beads or any hair accessories of your choice, okay? Just do whatever you are comfortable with. So if you are still watching to this point and you haven't liked this video yet, what are you still waiting for? Just go ahead and hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe for more if you haven't done that already. I hope by now you have chosen the style you are going to try out next. If not, you can check out our other hairstyles videos, okay? Here comes the end of today's video. Until I come your way next time, keep taking care of yourself, stay out of trouble, love yourself. I love you too. Bye. See you on my next one.